don't really know if you're talking to me, but I don't really want to be listening.
Buddy, what are you doing, baby? Got Liz out here watching Friends. Buddy out here. What's the matter, dude? Hey, you good, bro? You good? Oh, I just put my hand on your ass.
He touched the butt.
Okay, then.
Oh, on mine?
A little too close for comfort. I'm gonna start out whitening my teeth. I've been doing this charcoal whitening. I've actually only done it like 3 times, but it seems to be working. My hair, I don't really know what it's doing. I need to fix my hairline. No, that's not zoomed in all the way. I'm just getting fatter. All right, yeah. Catch the teeth whitening edit.
Two hours later.
Oh my gosh, Buddy is like actually the same size as Bella. What is going on? What's going on? Are you happy to have your girl here? As my nan would say, they're just cousins, but
Technically, Bella is Buddy.
yeah, technically there's some weird. Technically, they're just 2 puppies, and they love each other.
Okay. Alright, they have to go get me a ball.
I said, hey boy, hey. What a good doggo.
Buddy, Buddy.
Hi. Hi. Aw. Aw.
Okay, now get it on them.
Hi.
Now track them, go for this ball. Your track, Buddy.
Woo.
You zoomed in at all?
A little bit.
Come on, killer.
Wait, I want to be in this. Yeah.
You want to be in the vlog?
Yeah. Hey. Buddy, you ready? Well, I was with the wrong hand.
We got big sexy sister taking over the
Ready?
camcorder. Watch him. Watch him.
And go for it. Woo!
My God, this just got the world's shakiest footage.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Bella, hi, Bella. Buddy, hi. Hi.
All right, guys, I just hopped out of the pool. That's about enough of that. Time to get dried off, edit this vlog, start another one tomorrow morning, hopefully. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, share with a friend if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.